I've been in the village for a while now and it's mango season. Have you thought of all the benefits the mango seeds and mango fruits can give to your hair? Have you thought of all the benefits it can give to your skin? So that is what I have been researching on, and I have discovered a lot of benefits. If you haven't, then let's research on it and see all the benefits that mango seeds and mango fruits can give to your
So
body.
here we have the benefit, the overall AI overview benefit of mango seeds. It offers various benefits for your skin, and this is it here. So you can just go through it and do other deeper research. Let's go for how it works for our hair, like what it does for our hair. And this is what the AI overview of it is showing us right here. So mango fruit has so many benefits for your hair. It offers a lot, from being so rich in vitamin A and C, which are essential for the growth and strengthening of your hair. It can do a lot of things for your hair. It minimizes hair fall. It just has a lot of benefits for your hair, which is something you should look into. So if mango is something that is very common to you, you can maximize all the benefits from it by making your own mango seed oil or fruit oil or butter, just whichever way you think of it.
I'm going to be making mango seed powder, mango fruits powder, and then I'm going to be making mango seeds oil. So I'm going to be using mango seeds powder, mango seeds oil to substitute some of the oils I use for my hair and some of the oils I use for my skin, because it is what is in season right now. So you can have the unripe one or the ripe one. So I'm just going to pick any one I get. I'll just be needing 2 of these. These are how many I succeeded in getting.
3, 4,
Leave
5.
here. These are the ripe ones. We're just going to eat this one. Then I'm going to use these ones for my oils and butter. So these are the ones I'm using, both the seed, both the fruit, the oil. I'm going to peel the back like this.
You want like this? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I don't care.
We're going to open up the seed.
I'll lick my own. I'll start licking my own.
You did not wash it. So I'm going to grate this now.
Oh yeah.
Have all my oils ready here. I'll be adding the mango seed and mango fruit into the pot that I'm going to be using. You can use only one for this infusion, but I prefer using the 2. So I'll be adding 100 ml of vegetable oil. This is a fresh infusion, and because it is fresh, you are going to fry until it is dried, making sure there is no yeast growing inside. So like this now, you can see the freshness in the oil, but after a period of frying, it's going to become clear just like this. And when it becomes clear and almost ready, I'm going to add my castor oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but castor oil is something for me. And before I could say jack, it was already burning, but I would prefer it burns than it doesn't dry at all. Here we have our oil filled with so much nutrients for the hair, so much nutrient for the skin. So we're just going to add our essential oils, and the only essential oil I will be adding to this infusion is vitamin E oil. That will be the only oil I'm adding to this, pending when I want to use this for other mixture. So try not to burn your own like this, but I will prefer it this way than just not burning as much. I will prefer it burnt like this than leaving it to grow yeast in it. So this is what we have. I'm almost done with the mango fruit powder and the mango seed powder that we will be making in the part 2 of this video. See you in our next one.